Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Good Bro Production. I'm here, your boy Plan Motives, giving you guys another video reaction video. And this time I'm gonna talk about Falling in Reverse, Watch the World Burn. Ito nga pala ay requested ng isang pinakamalupit, isang pinakamagaling, legendary boss, Spicy. Maraming salamat sa pag-request nito at ngayon ginagawa na natin siya para matapos na natin tong request na special na binigay sa atin. At mag-like muna tayo rito at mag-subscribe tayo sa channel na to. At ganoon naman guys, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, at share. At i-comment niyo kung ano mga saloobin niyo. Kung napanood niyo na to, i-comment niyo na rin. Ganoon pa man guys, wala tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Maraming salamat sa mga nagre-request. Marami tayong gagawin. At ngayon may trabaho lang tayo, tsaka bukas. Kaya medyo busy ng konti. Siyempre, hinahabol natin lahat. Ganoon pa man, after nun, magkakaroon tayo ng konting pahinga. Siguro mga isang araw o dalawa. Tapos matutuloy-tuloy tayo sa paggawa ng reaction video. Ganun pa man guys, maraming salamat at tuloy na natin to bago ko umpisahan. Bigay ko mula yung pedigree ko, mga music producer here in California, mga audio engineer at the same time, ang master hypnotherapist, ang master practitioner. Abangan niyo yung mga lalabas kong kanta, marami yun. At ganun pa man, nasa description lahat na kailangan nyong malaman. Let's get to it! Falling in Reverse. Watch the world burn. Tapusin nyo guys yung video. Let's get it. Okay?
Yeah, I got voices in my head again. Tread carefully, and I don't medicate it, helps me temporarily. I got problems, I got issues, yeah, apparently. Trauma that I'm burying, I think I need some therapy. I battle depression, I'm back with a message. I'm asking the question that if you hate me, why you acting obsessive? I'm passive, pointing no return, I'm being passive aggressive. I'm brandished a weapon, teach all you motherfuckers a lesson.
Damn!
Actually, battle my demons and trying to when the deep and they keep in the
Woo!
Gotta admit that I'm living the life that I've always wanted for the
Woo! Damn! Who is this guy? Woo! Dude, that was fucking intense. I heard parang naririnig ko sa kanya si si Logic, na naririnig ko sa kanya si That was nice. That was nice. Man, that was nice. So, right here, parang in-explain niya yung layman's terms ko na lang, yung parang marami daw gumugulo sa pag-iisip niya, marami daw, there's a lot of things going on his head, tapos, he's trying to at least, like, surpass his limit or something like that, and, gusto niya lampasan yung sarili niya, stuff like that. And marami siyang kinakalaban, hindi lang yung sarili niya but yung mundo, parang ganun. Man, that was amazing.
I got enemies trying to get rid of me. Evil tendencies are fucking with me mentally.
Woo!
I got people that don't like me in the industry. I can feel your energy. You were not a friend of me.
Damn!
Been to places that you never
Woo!
go. Yeah, I got dirt on people, but they act like I don't know.
Damn!
I can do some damage, but I'll never rush the boat. All it takes is not both.
Woo!
But I gotta know. Never get enemies, too many enemies. Put up my history, you know my history in it. A mystery, put every enemy in it.
Damn! Who the fuck is this dude? Woo! Woo! Dude, it's like he mixed, parang pinagsama-sama niya yung man. Pinagsama niya yung yung hip hop at metal eh. Ginawa na rin ni Lil Wayne. Marami na gumagawa pero iba yung production na to. It's on another level. Fucking amazing, man. I'm just woo! Sarap lang paanggan. This is like a masterpiece, dude. It's a masterpiece. This is the kind of music that you want to play every single day to be able to absorb everything, To be able to absorb everything, you have to listen to this like religiously. I'll be honest, because there's a lot of things that he's trying to say na hindi mo kaagad makukuha. Aside from that, it's more, everything that he's saying is subjective with a little bit of imagination. A little bit of imagination and subjective. Like everything that he feels about this world. About this world, what he see, kung ano yung nakikita niya, whatever he feels to this world, and at the same time, whatever he feels on himself. This is crazy. Man, this music is crazy. Wow. It's a masterpiece. Woo! 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 Bam! Woo! That's facts, you know? Facts! Super facts. The fear keep us alive. Yung takot daw, yung takot ang nagbibigay sa atin ng kakayanan, ng kapangyarihan para manatiling buhay. Bakit? Kasi takot tayong magutom, takot tayong mag-isa, takot tayong mawalan ng gana, takot tayong panghinaan. Dahil sa takot natin, palagi tayong nagsisipag. Kasi may pangangailangan tayo bilang isang tao. To be able to function, kailangan mong magkaroon ng something. Kailangan mong humawak sa resources. At yung resources na yun, pera, pagkain. Kasi kung hindi ka gagawa ng paraan, kung hindi ka didilihensya, hindi ka makakain eh. Yung takot na yun, na baka mag-isa ka, na baka magutom ka, baka hindi ka makatulog, baka magato, baka maganyan, yun ang nabibigay sa atin ng dahilan para mag-flourish sa mundong to. Baka hindi ka magka-jowa, baka hindi ka magkaanak, baka hindi ka makakain, baka hindi ka makakatrabaho. Kaya tayo dumidilihensya. Eh, napakalaking bagay. At dito, sinasabi niya rito, na base sa napapanood ko, parang lahat ng natututunan niya sa mundong ito ay isa lamang parang ilusyon. At ang realidad ay parang wala. There's nothing. Everything is a lie. Lahat ay kasinungalingan. We're just gonna live like this. So very subjective yung sinasabi niya. Woo! The fear is what keeps you insane. Yung fear din nagbibigay sa atin ng insane kasi wala tayong peace of mind. Palagi tayong nag-iisip. Napakalaking bagay. We're always thinking about the future. We're always thinking about the present and future because we wanted to survive. And it's crazy. I think this video is a little bit furious and it's very, very scary because, he's actually killing everybody. It's like, it's not him who's killing that, but the beliefs is killing the world, Very metaphorical ng movie. The movie itself is very metaphorical. Let's go. Woo! It's amazing. That is actually amazing. Man, thank you so much. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa movie, hindi sa na yun, sa music na yun. At bibigyan ko to ng 10 kasi napakaganda. Nakaka-uplift. At sa tingin ko, kailangan siyang pakinggan ng ilang beses para ma-absorb lahat. Kasi ang ganda ng transition para sa spoken words, tapos may modern hip-hop na dating. Pero everything is running on messages, Everything is message. Ang dami nyo mapupulutang aral and at the same time makapag-isip kayo ng malalim. Ganun pa man, bibigyan ko siya ng 10. Maraming salamat guys sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-like. Huwag nyo kalimutan guys mag-subscribe at mag-like. Ganun pa man at i-share din yun. Ganun pa man guys, Maraming salamat sa mga nandito pa rin nakatambay pa rin, nasusubukan ko pa maglabas pa ng mga bagong reaction video. At ganun pa man guys, ingatan ninyo at galingan ninyo sarili. Galingan ninyo sa lahat ng bagay na gusto nyo sa buhay niyo, sa pamilya, mga kaibigan niyo, mga tao na kapaligid sa inyo. At higit sa lahat, magdasal kayo palagi. Plan Motive nga pala nagbabago. Ingat kayo lahat yan.